In today's video, I'll show you how to connect multiple boards on monday.com. This is perfect for managing complex projects or viewing related information from several boards in one central hub, making your workflow much more efficient. Start by opening your web browser and going to monday.com. Log in with your credentials to access your account. Once inside, identify the central board where you want all information to be consolidated. This board will serve as the hub for pulling together data from other boards. At the top of your central board, click the plus sign to add a new column. From the menu that appears, select the Connect Boards option. Next, click Select Boards and choose the boards you want to link. Check each one carefully to ensure the right boards are connected. Once selected, click Connect Boards to finalize the connection. If you want to add more boards later, simply go to the Connect Boards column you already created. Click the three-dot menu and choose Connect More Boards. You can then select additional boards to expand your central hub. By following these steps, you can streamline your projects on monday.com, centralizing all key information for easy access. This connection ensures your important data is always organized and accessible, enhancing productivity and project management efficiency.